Hey guys, glad to have you back here. So a few weeks ago, I talked about the macro axis, a particular platform that gives out free triangular arbitrage signals. All right. Now this is actually so interesting, but I did it on my phone last time. So this particular one, I'll be using my PC to complete this tutorial. All right. A lot of people want to know how it works on the PC. Now this macro axis is a platform that shares a lot of financial information in the market, and one of the important things they do is to give out crypto arbitrage signals in a triangular way. So your triangular arbitrage, you can find the signals here. Now, one thing about this platform is that you may not even understand it when you visit the platform. So, of course, once you are here, all you have to do is to select crypto, then you select triangles, then you select the particular platform you want to use. For example, let's say I want to use Binance. I'm going to select Binance. Okay, you can look for Binance on this area. You can select Binance, you can select any other crypto exchange, you can select Bitdump, anyone that you think works in your location. All right. For example, in the country where you are, whatever exchange works, you can just select it. All right. So Binance don't work in many countries. So for me, from where I'm making this video, CoinEx is one of the best platforms here. All right. So, but you can try Binance. Let's see what Binance looks like. When you click on Binance, you select the particular exchange you want, and then you can just scroll down. And you scroll down. Okay, you're supposed to find the whole signal thing here, but if you don't find it here, it simply means that it is actually searching or trying to bring up something. But then I can select other kind of exchanges. Like, okay, last time I used CoinEx. Okay, I'm gonna try CoinEx again. So probably I think I need to click on optimize. Okay, I don't need to click on optimize. When you select CoinEx, you can see everything is going to come out here. Now let me see if I can check for other exchanges. Probably let me use Bitmart, and let's see if Bitmart has something for us. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, Bitmart is also possible. So once you have selected any crypto exchange you like, especially the one that works with your country or where you are residing, okay, or where you want to buy from, you can see different triangular arbitrage signals on this area. All right, you can see TUSD, USDC, and USDT. All right, now this is a triangular way. Definitely what it means is that you need to have some TUSD, okay, and you swap the TUSD to USDC, and then you swap the USDC to USDT. So at the end of the day, you have more USDT than the TUSD you started with, right? Of course, triangular arbitrage is in a triangular manner, just like this. So you are dealing with three kinds of cryptocurrencies. All right, now this video may not make sense to you if you don't know much about triangular arbitrage, you've never heard about it, and of course you're not used to it. So the second one, let's just look at other ones. Okay, for example, you can see BNB, BTC, and USDT. So this simply means that you need to first of all have some BNB. All right, from BNB on the Bitmart platform. All right, you can swap to BTC. All right, then swap to USDT. All right, so at the end of the day, if you swap to USDT, you'll be having more USDT than the capital you've started with. But then there is a problem, and I need people to understand that some of these things are not just as easy as I make it look like. All right, because when you start or you get involved, you find out there are several risks involved, and you are supposed to know what kind of risks are involved. All right, now from my experience, I'm going to share what I found out. All right, now you can see many of these cryptos have different colors. You can see this one has the three of them are green. This one I don't particularly know what color this is, but it's not green. This one is more like a yellow or orange kind of color, and this one is green. All right, so you're going to see different colors, about three different colors. From my notice, what I've actually noticed is that some of the best ones here are the ones that all of them are green. For example, XLM to USDC to USDT. It simply means that this whole green green direction, the green means that this one have been working for a very long time, and it could just be very nice. Okay, especially for arbitrage lovers who would want to make more research or compare prices or carry out a triangular arbitrage within these three cryptos. Stuffs like this that is showing this kind of color, as long as they are not green, it may end up collecting a lot of fees from you. So you have to understand basically what it looks like, all right, on the exchange. So particularly, I think if I were going to do this, because I don't want to advise you, this video do not teach you how to be rich. I'm just sharing my experience, because I've tried a lot of these things before I even bring it out here. All right. So you have to understand that many of them, especially the ones that are green, are the top picks. So I'm going to just scroll up to show you something. So I think for me, the very first one is actually cool. These ones are not green, even though there's a green here, but these two cryptos could take a lot of fees from you. Now, this doesn't mean you're going to lose all your money. It just means that you might get USDT at the end, but it's going to turn out to be a loss, or a very huge loss. All right. So apparently, if you look at this whole thing, this is one signal. I count it as a signal because it is complete. Every sides, every of the sides are green. So one, can scroll down to see more green lines. Okay, this is two because three of them are green on this area. And I'm gonna scroll down. So apparently, okay, this is three. So in a whole table, you might just find, okay, four. I've seen four. You might just find only four, all right, only four of them currently on Bitmart. Now, one other big mistake you can make is using another platform instead of Bitmart. So let's say, for example, these are the mistakes I've done. For example, Bitmart works in my country, all right, and I've opened Bitmart like this. It is Bitmart, and I started using Binance to do the arbitrage, or Coinbase or Bybit. You can end up having a lot of losses. So this simply means that this whole content, this whole arbitrage, this whole signal are only tailored to be used on Bitmart alone. All right. So this is actually very nice. Okay. So you make sure that if you choose Bitmart, you are only going to be exchanging the cryptos on Bitmart. That is very important, and one of the biggest ways I think I lost some money. All right. So particularly, you can just choose anyone. Okay, let's look at Bitomp. We selected Binance the first time, nothing loaded up. Okay, so there was nothing at all. So this one is also similar. Bitomp, nothing is loading up. So if you choose anything and it's not loading up, just know that it's not your fault. It may just be that there are no triangular arbitrage there currently. So let me use Coinbase and let's see if there's something on Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase has something for us, but then you have to make, you understand what I mean. I said, I only said everything has to be green. So apparently, if I open this on Coinbase, I may not be, if I open this right now, I may not have any signal to work with. Okay, because if you go ahead to try any of it, the fees that may apply may be so much. And the thing is that if you calculate it, it may end up in profit on calculation, but if you do it practically, that's when you will know why these colors are different. Okay, and typically they're only different because it has a lot of fees. You can see USDT is mostly in green. USDT is mostly in green because it's a stable coin. These ones that are not in green are not stable coins, and in fact, it means they can fluctuate so much and ending you in losses many times. All right, so I understand that you probably have gotten what this is all about, and I'm sure you may want to check it out. Okay, and of course enjoy what it has to bring for you. These are massive platforms, not just cryptos. They have equities, they have stocks, they have screeners, they have other sectors, and of course I'll be reviewing many of them. So if you have any platform you want me to review, you can just put it down in the comments. Certainly I'm going to review them as long as I can access it from my location. All right. Do have a very wonderful day, guys. Don't forget to keep your questions coming, and definitely I will be there to answer you. Now, do not forget that these micro axes do not show you the fees that are involved. All right. So particularly, you have to calculate the fees or be aware of the fees if you are going to do any of this. All right. I'll see you in another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.